This video is for Bubba Sawyer. I want to make this video of my early 2000 stihl ms310 59cc Farm Boss or Wood Boss, whichever. And I was planning on cleaning this thing up to make it look brand new again. But I'm not sure how you clean yours up, Bubba. If you care to make a video of yours again, but not starting it, if you could show me how to clean this up, how do you clean yours, just let me know in the comments. And mine's got a chain brake, and it's got a brand new 20-inch chain on it. I hadn't used it yet. I hadn't planned on using it because the carburetor on this thing just keeps losing pressure and bogging down, and it's not running right. I know yours is running fine, but mine's acting weird. And I'll show you the quick controls on it. Up switch, up is stop, down is on. Full choke, half choke, run, stop. Recoil, chain brake, side tensioner bolts, chain tensioner built on the saw, muffler. I might probably spray paint this muffler black to make it look brand new again when I get this baby all cleaned up and push this thing in, but I'm not sure how in the world you push that shit in. I'm not sure how you push that in. I might have to figure it out. The original fuel line was cracked, so I had to put a new one on it. There's that new fuel line I put into it. I don't know, you couldn't see it, but it's dark down there. Yeah, it's a new fuel line. I did put that in. And a new fuel cap. Mine was leaking too. And it has bar oil. Still got plenty of oil in the tank. I'm not a big fan of these tooless caps on those saws. If you think the original caps will fit on the ms310, Bubba, let me know in the comments. And let me know on your videos. But my chain brake does work. And I'll show you the air filter. This is one of the new things I ordered for it. It didn't have that because this is for heat, this is for wintertime, and this is for summertime cutting. I usually leave it for the summertime cutting. I leave it on summertime. There's the clone carburetor jets I put onto the saw. It's still not running right. It's got Fallon spike, and it does have an 18-inch bar. This right here is definitely peeling off. But this was the ms310. It is an ms310. But that name that name part is peeling off and it's worn out. I'm not sure why it's doing that. The ignition coil was fine, and I didn't check for spark, but spark was fine. But it did have spark when I first got it going. When I got it home, it was running fine until I messed it up by adjusting a carburetor on it too much. That's probably what's causing it not to run right. I am going to have to get a new OEM carburetor off of eBay for the ms310. I will eventually get one for it. But it don't have a carrying case, but I got a carrying case. But that goes to a stihl ms310 Farm Boss. I don't occasionally use it on the ms310. I use it for this fan because it works with the stihl. Fits on there like a glove. And I was planning on doing a side-by-side comparison of it with the Husqavra 455 Farm Tough. But it looks almost exactly just like in Texas Chainsaw 3D movie. And the one that they were using in the movie was the 455 Rancher and the stihl MS441 Magnum saw. Well, anyways, here's the video of the ms310. But it does run, but it's not running right, but I just don't have fuel in it. I don't feel like putting fuel into the tank. When I get an OEM carburetor for it off of eBay soon, I'll have a video of it running. Well, anyways, here's the ms310. And this was actually my Uncle Lonnie's second firewood saw. It had sat for a long time and had never been used. He passed away in 2020 after I graduated high school in 2019. But he used it a lot. My dad used it. My dad used this saw when he was at the farm at one time. And he just stopped using it. And Lonnie quit using it, and he just let that thing set for a very long time, and it never been started. But I think I might be wrong, but it might be the early 90s model, but I think I might be wrong. But I think this was the early 90s. Or 98 or 97. I think this thing's about only 26 or 27 years old. But I'll have a video of that thing running soon when I get it going again one of these days. I just don't even feel like working on that thing right now. But anyways, I'll catch y'all next one. Stay tuned for the 455 Rancher.